Hello and welcome to Science Talk. I'm Emma, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Peter. Today, we have an exciting topic one that has fascinated humans for centuries, exploring the universe.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. Space has always been a mystery. Since ancient times, people have looked up at the stars and wondered, what's out there today? We'll take you on a journey through the history of space exploration. From early dreams of the stars to modern technology, space missions, and the future of space travel.
Let's start from the beginning. Thousands of years ago, ancient civilizations studied the stars. The Babylonians, Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Mayans all observed the sky and tried to understand the universe.
Yes, the Babylonians created some of the first star maps. The Egyptians aligned their pyramids with the stars, and the Mayans developed advanced calendars based on planetary movements.
But in those times, space was a mystery. People believed in myths and legends. Some thought the stars were gods, while others believed that the Earth was the center of the universe.
That's right, but then came scientific discoveries that changed everything. In the 16th century, Nicolaus Copernicus proposed that the Sun, not the Earth, was at the center of the solar system. Later, Galileo Galilei used a telescope to prove this.
His discovery was revolutionary. It led to the birth of modern astronomy and changed how we see our place in the universe.
Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the biggest advancements in space exploration. The dream of reaching space was finally becoming a reality.
The true space age began in 1957 when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. It was just a small metal ball with antennas, but it marked the start of a new era.
Then in 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space. He orbited the Earth for 108 minutes in his spacecraft, Vostok 1. Imagine how exciting and terrifying that must have been.
Just 8 years later, the United States made history. In 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission.
Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," symbolized the beginning of human exploration beyond Earth.
It was a huge achievement. The moon landing proved that humans could travel to other celestial bodies, but it was only the beginning.
After the moon, scientists wanted to explore further. They sent robotic missions to other planets, and space technology improved rapidly.
In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft. They traveled past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and are still sending signals from deep space today.
Mars has been a major focus of exploration. NASA sent the first Mars rover, Sojourner, in 1997. Since then, we've had Curiosity, Perseverance, and other rovers exploring the Red Planet.
Scientists believe Mars may have had water and life in the past. That's why they are studying its surface for signs of ancient life.
And let's not forget about the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021. It's helping us see deeper into space than ever before, revealing secrets of galaxies billions of years old.
Now, scientists and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are planning human missions to Mars. Maybe in the next 20 or 30 years, people will live on another planet.
Many people ask, why do we spend so much money on space exploration? But what they don't realize is that space technology has improved our daily lives in many ways.
That's true. Satellite technology, which was originally developed for space missions, is now used for GPS, weather forecasting, and communication systems.
Even medical technology has advanced thanks to space research. MRI scanners, robotic surgery, and artificial limbs were all inspired by space programs.
And let's not forget about solar panels, water purification systems, and even memory foam mattresses, all inventions that came from space research.
So what's next? How will space exploration change in the future?
First, we have space tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have already sent private citizens into space. In the future, regular people might travel to space hotels for vacations.
There are also plans to build a permanent base on the moon. This base will be used as a launch station for deep space missions, including Mars.
And let's not forget about the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists are studying planets outside our solar system to see if they could support life.
With new telescopes and AI technology, we might discover another Earth in the near future.
From ancient sky watchers to moon landings, Mars rovers, and space tourism, humanity has come a long way in exploring the universe.
Space exploration has not only expanded our knowledge, but also improved our daily lives. It has given us new technology, new possibilities, and a better understanding of our place in the cosmos.
That's why it's important to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming. The universe is vast, and we have only just begun to understand it.
Thank you for joining us today on Science Talk. We hope you enjoyed this journey through space history and the future of exploration.
Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering what's out there.
Goodbye and see you next time.